So guys, there is a great internship opportunity from Google. The role will be data analytics. If you are a final year student or if you are a fresher, you can apply for this internship program. So they have provided the location, which is Hyderabad, and you need to visit Hyderabad Google office so that you can attend the internship program. It's a data analytics internship program for 2027 batch. Here they have mentioned all the details about the applications. Here they have clearly mentioned that it's not a full-time permanent opportunity. It's a 24 months. It means 2 years internship program with Google. You can contribute a lot to Google. They might offer you a full-time position, but this is not a full-time position. Once you are onboarded, transfer of location is not permitted for internship program. Also, they have mentioned applicants must include a resume with their application clearly calling out their year of graduation, and the whole process will spread across 18 to 24 weeks. Kindly be patient during this. Here clearly they have mentioned the deadline, which is the posting will be live until August 3rd 2026. Okay, so before that you need to apply for this internship program. I'll provide you the link in the video description so that you can apply for this role. Here they have mentioned what are the documents required for this internship. Some of the additional guidelines they have mentioned here, you can read before apply to the role. Here minimum qualification they have mentioned bachelor degree in any field, less than 1 year of relevant experience in data analytics, experience using Google Workspace or similar application, ability to communicate in English. That's it. Preferred qualification they have mentioned knowledge of data analysis and interest in working with numbers of patterns, ability to work independently, ability to navigate ambiguous tasks, find suitable solutions, and excellent problem solving and critical thinking skills. So here they have mentioned some responsibilities as well, so you can read these all are the responsibilities related to data analytics. So if you know about data analytics, if you have any skill, you should deliver these things in this internship program. So that's all about the opportunity. I'll provide you the details in the video description. If you are interested, you can check and apply online. If you have any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye.